Mama, nanado. Yo, my name is Kojan Kansan. You can call me too, man. Because the broken man. I got me, you know, have a lens, you learn, Constellation Jackson, and come over TV, man. How dare you, boy, other former fans. If you know, I'm a slow, come on to so. And fun to be say, come over TV. A hawk, never be baby. Hey, and need you be hey, send you, said day. Oh, watching me home, you see me laugh and color the man. Oh, so yeah. Tongani do bet you natural some kind of what natural some.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu
Benedita imama utuyo minyawa ubeso misimama imama nanado. Yo, my name is Kojan Kansan. You can call me too, man. Because the broken man. I got me, you know, have a lens, you learn, Constellation Jackson, and come over TV, man. How dare you, boy, other former fans. If you know, I'm a slow, come on to so. And fun to be say, come out TV. A hawk, never be baby. Hey, and need you be hey, send you, said day. Oh, watching me home, you see me laugh and color the man. Oh, so yeah. Tongani do bet you natural some kind of what natural some.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba. Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu
Benedita imama utuyo minyawa ubeso misimama imama nanado. Yo, my name is Kojan Kansan. You can call me too, man. Because the broken man. I got me, you know, have a lens, you learn, Constellation Jackson, and come over TV, man. How dare you, boy, other former fans. If you know, I'm a slow, come on to so. And fun to be say, come out TV. A hawk, never be baby. Hey, and need you be hey, send you, said day. Oh, watching me home, you see me laugh and color the man. Oh, so yeah. Tongani do bet you natural some kind of what natural some.
Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu
Benedita imama utuyo minyawa ubesuo minsimama mama nanado. Yo, my name is Kojan Kansan. You can call me too, man, because the broken man. I got me soon have a lennon constellation Jackson and come over TV me man. How dare you, boy, other former fans. If you know I'm so come on to so. And fun to be say come over TV. A hot na benye baby. Hey, and need you be hey, send you said day. Oh, watching me home. You see me laugh and color the man. Oh, yeah. Tongani do bet you. Natural some. Kind of to natural some.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Right, Ghana, my ma. I did share organ in a mu and share and enumerate at the Kumawood TV. So, and then so I don't know Yabishia say Baku former BM. The beer meka some way say Nipebia say Wapomude and to me and CP and farm my war. One shot your boy, you my de cranoa. What the bay soon. And unti and a Kumawood TV. Yasha said, Jumadia Yatodin say, Wonkwa Hia, ye de a bro. Na and then so. Yes, young with ye, your bedroom journey, and your mapa a bed boy, ama yetimia DM Quanaso, na yetimia quenim a wabrabum. And then a year 28th of May 2020, na yesterday, Ochedian Ponce, and then day after I think when we on Cosuma Yeni young Quana, na young Quan, Ehia pa, and no any Jumadi ye de a bro, and then Mensaka Kukudam, Dr. Penipa, Bakon, a woman chain. Yɛne no ebedi di nkomo na ene nkomo didie na ye ba bedi no se otewaso na ohwe television no a adwumade no nkwa wiye no ubenya enema pii na atumi aboa ama wakɔ anim eya desua ye ba besua de na aboa me akɔ anim ene ye ndwumade no titiro pa ene ye bedi hu ndwuma na yahwɛ eya building your kitchen pharmacy during and beyond COVID-19 eno na ene ye behwɛ na ye di ho enkomo Beka wo se dwuma ko bi nso asoso yasene britiamu dwumade no ekoso no ye behwe na ya di omo nkomo kakra e di akyerew se ne be ya wo nso so obetimi atamu chuku na dwumade aye krabehwe e di amawo ene ya betena se na dwumade no e be ye krabehwe se ne medical aka no Dr. Penny e wo ha ye bedi di nkomo eno nti mitwa me ho kakra bi na maba me bana me bedru pe e di dwumade no e be hyehyɛ so
Benedita mama utuyo minyawa ubesuo minsimama mama nanado. Yo, my name is Kojan Kansan. You can call me too, man, because the broken man. I got me soon have a lennon constellation Jackson and come over TV me man. How dare you, boy, other former fans. If you know I'm so come on to so. And fun to be say come out TV. A hot na benye baby. Hey, and need you be hey, send you said day. Oh, watching me home. You see me laugh and color the man. Oh, yeah. Tongani do bet you. Natural some. Kind of to natural some.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyashe. Amansane, winyano baby. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Right, you are money train at the bar Kumawood television. So, send ye medikai ekayeno, and ye babedin kumona, yankumudino, Dudonwa ebedina COVID-19 coronavirus, and then Ushe virus ahudwa aba ewo man ahudwo mu a ebi aba bedru o man konkon Ghana mu a eya na ebo adwene nti aseso ene wohwe cases ahudwa a oba o man konkon Ghana mu a ekono a ekyerese virus no aba ene yen aba betena ye ba ne aba bedi hu nkomo yie na ya domo suko na ya hunu kwan pa ye befa so abo ye ho ban e de afiri sa virus yi ho ene ye behwe wo ye nkomodie no na ya hwe virus no kwan a efa so ba na adenti na virus no eba na aba befa yenum yeni ase yehwenim ene sabi yasum ede na ma eba saa ede benti na ho na virus no etimi efa menim se nipadua na kwa no emfefe timi te yen scientists amiate ase se nipadua na kwa no ntokro ededani adenti ena eye yeni ase yehwenim ena afi yenum ena yare no etimi efa doctor ewo ha ode ebekọ sa school no na wa kyerɛkyerɛ eno achi na yaba ye main topic ne so na afi ya to adwumadie no so me ka wo se dwumadie obetumi anya bi ahwɛ ne live ewo eye Samdakus TV ewo eye YouTube no so Samdakus TV ewo YouTube uko Facebook nso so a Kumawood TV ewo Facebook Kumawood TV Facebook ubenya kwanya na wahwɛ dwumadie bi share na like na fa comment e fa questions nsem bi se bia wo a opese wo de ba no nso obetumi e de ba ye WhatsApp line no nso ewo ho wo message bia opese wo de ba questions bia ask discussion na e koso no wo de ba e be kenkan na ye bisa doctor bibi a kire wa adwen bia na ono nso etumi e de nkyeremu no e de aba ye WhatsApp line no e ye 0543 59 6070 0543 59 6070 bomoden na wonso so send a message ebra dwumadie no ekoso no ye behwe ne akenkan na nsem bisa bia obebisa no ya hwe na afei yeyi ano e de ama Dr. Edmond Atta eye Balm of Gilead Alternative Clinic Dr. Penimpa oda sa clinic na no na ene yenya no ene no ebedidi enkomo doc ewo menchen ha me na pa ba na afei ya hye yenkomo twetwen no ase doc akwa
yeah Mr. Francis
Pacho biya boko de
boko
yeah then now yes DJ Lofty Francis no so yeah ni na ye pa yeah doc ene ye di nkomo e dia fa ye COVID-19 virus a aba beso yen education no about virus no nipa enhye dan hu bebre eno nti ene pese ye di nkomo adenti ena virus no e ba ye no nipa dua na kwa no ntokura wa ye ho dooso nanso yenum yehwenim yeni ase ena doctors mama ye hu se virus no efa ye ka virus kura ene den na virus no kwan ben so na efa eba na ebere we mu ena virus aba na na virus no e wo dada
yo yenda nyam ko mo se ni even in this critical moment the whole world is facing this pandemic Ghana for that matter Kumasi ene Nkrunkru atwetwa ho nyina ehia before say beba virus as no I was said to school kakra
okay
eba health mono your better degree achichim your virus is for hormone or education and memory man no betena so kasafa virus mo ebe 1/100
okay
nti nimdia na media maye no ye bebem na benim so we na doctor mo doctor Sasumo ne we mo me virus no omo ina ehwe omo tare teamwork nyankopon nyansem no otiwe no we nipa who was sujafo okay kind Genesis chapter 1 verse 29 most mama edikan ti ba mu edo 29
eduokuno
yes eduokuno chimene say yayi ni peye afidie bia so ade a eboa emanye aduma ye kase ya ekwa abonten ma nkofo ehwe yi bibi na epushi emasa ne ma we nyina ekoso ni pedua no ye wo wonam apa biduri a ekekenhia emane be ni pedua but because we be a friend cells and then we can say empamwa
okay and na you wo white blood cell and then yeah
and no to plan we chemu bebre
okay
you will be a friend of tissue you will be a friend of organ god you will be a friend of system and an entire body nyama bebre ana ekeka mo emasa nyama we nyina eba
okay
na nipedua no ye frɛ bibi RNA ana DNA ana sɛ ye ba usunu a chromosome those nyama no ye beba ho but ye fa enkwamo no mu na omo nyama nipedua no egyina ne naso
okay
enti ye ka bibi sɛ the cell is the basic unit of life sɛ enkwamo no eni ho a untumi na nkwa ɛno ntina akan ho no yɛfrɛ ɔmo nkwa ɛmoa
nkwamoa okay
na saa nkwamoa wɔ ni na me ayɛ ne sɛ ɔmo no ɔmo na ɛma nkwa nti na me de nkwa ahyew mu a ɛnam bibi so na ɛkeka mu ma saa nkwan no ɛba
okay
yɛde spiritual anaasɛ mpaebɔ faith yɛ no to nkyɛn a yɛmmra health mu kakra
okay
na deɛ tie nie nkwamoa no ɔmo asogyafoɔ
okay
ɔmo bɔ nipadua no ho ban
okay
ɔmo no yɛfrɛ ɔmo antibodies go ana nyame nyansɛm no a wɔyɛ antibodies no awie a yɛwɔ wiase a yɛnni wiase 100% a yɛnnuane a yɛdi mframa a ɛrekɔ yi mu ebi atwa yi ho ahyia no most of them no question marks ɛwɔ ho no nti nyame ama saa sogyafoɔ no a wɔwɔ sɛ bibi bɔne bi ba nipadua no mu ɔmo ne si ano kwan
okay
bibi bɔne a ba nipadua no mu no ebi yɛ ɛmoa one yɛde yɛni hu ɔmo
okay
ebi yɛ ɛmoa one yɛmfa yɛni hu ɔmo
okay
ebi nso ɛyɛ ewusie ɛne nneɛma a ɛyɛ nnuane a ɛfɛ nipadua no mu na yɛba ɛmoa yɛmfa yɛni hu ɔmo no mu a yɛfrɛ ɔmo microorganisms na yɛakyekyɛ mu bebree yɛwɔ bacterias ɛwɔ hɔ ɛyɛ a wɔbi complain sɛ wɔnya ulcer wɔnya yareɛ yi ebi yɛ bacterial infection
okay
obi wɔ hɔ a ɔbaa bi bɛ complain sɛ wɔnya white ɛno no ɛyɛ yeast yeast no nso sɛ wofa yeast a ɛmoa no mu no nso yɛakyekyɛ mu yɛwɔ nkora batan bi yɛfrɛ no fungi
okay
saa fungi no wokyɛ mu mmienu a yɛwɔ mold ɛne yɛwɔ yeast wɔn sɛ pan no da hɔ a na ɛyɛ wɔn sɛ apɔpɔ bebree etimi ɛyɛ wɔ baabi gold saa nneɛma no nyinaa yɛ ɛmoa nketewa yɛmfa yɛn ni ehu wɔn gold na yɛba fungi na yɛwɔ mold na yɛwɔ yeast ne na kɔɔ so white ɛmoa yɛfrɛ wɔn candida albicans gold na yɛmmoamoa no ana yɛasan ho ɛmoa bi yɛfrɛ wɔn virus no mu no wode wɔn to nkyɛn yɛsan fɛ ebi mu bacteriophages ɔmo no ɛyɛ bacteria ne virus a yɛakeka ho ɔmo mu I think sɛ microbiologist no ebitumi ada ebi mu ɛwɔ mu na yɛba virus a virus no nso yɛ ɔmo bebree ɛnkyɛn biara na ehu sɛ Ebola ɛwɔ
aba
yes ɛnkyɛn biara na some years about 10, 15, 20 years ago
HIV so aba
ɛnkyɛn biara na chicken pox ne nyinaa no ɛbɛbaeɛ ɛne deɛ keka ho ana of late recently COVID aba saa mmoa wei mu nyinaa ɛyɛ viral infection ɔmo yɛ virus virus no ɛyɛ mmoa nketewa bi a yɛmfa yɛni hu na wɔn no esu no egyina virus ɛkorɔ so wɔn nyinaa no wɔn ayɛ abusua a emu abusua no nso yɛakyekyɛ mu bebree nti wofa COVID virus na wofa hepatitis B virus hepatitis C HIV Ebola ɛne nea keka ho na wɔn nyinaa yɛ virus but wɔn yɛ abusua a wɔn obiara wɔ deɛ ɔyɛ na yɛmra yɛba yɛn pandemic case a ɛkɔ so across the globe wiase nyinaa mu a COVID a abɛn saa coronavirus wɔn nso yɛ virus a wɔn aba nansi a corona no ebi wɔ hɔ dadaada but emu abusua kuro baako ana wɔyi ne ho nti yɛde 19 no ahyɛ hɔ
na sɛ corona no wɔ hɔ but yi ano a ɛbaeɛ na ɛyɛ 2019 no ɛno nti na ma a yɛde 19 no bɛka wɔn a bɛyɛ COVID-19
ɛyɛ one wei mu na ɛwɔ hɔ dada nti sometimes no koraa no wotɔ yɛka ne sɛ antibiotics yɛka ne sɛ antiseptics de yɛde egugu nsuo mu ne yɛde pepa yɛn nsa no yɛ a wokenkan ho wobɛhu sɛ yɛatwerɛ corona ɛwɔ ho dadaada no ɛyɛ sɛ they have type of virus a ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ebi saa ɛmoa nketewa no biribi saa etimi yɛ dɛn etimi ɔmo nti ɛwɔ hɔ dada na virus ɛyɛ ɛmoa nketewa a ɔmo ba nipadua no mu a ɔmo no ɔmfa w'ani ehu ɔmo ba a ɔmo tena odie n'anim and I said Nipiano cell I can't say who now
Nipiana
Kwan. Okay. Now emphasize corona now you found to other viruses. Good. So who for me to say HIV virus HIV viruses are denser than air. Meaning say otu bibi say impossible yeah anka can say
wait you know
me the person me kan nyina say viruses baby a omo ebedu bia no omo active for depending on that type of virus. Okay. HIV virus if we sure and say ABA atmosphere no more a bit matter keep within 1 minute to maximum 5 minutes say enya media bia and say we are obewu
okay
but yen for be say coronavirus coronavirus studies ebuso a ekoso it sometimes no say me can be na my name is sure say the virologist you know okay. me want me area me so me a master
okay
good. The viruses and those microbiologists now will be able to speak louder. And research possible into the theory say coronavirus bad system ni mo me chire die nti amunya say nose mask and then social distances.
Okay.
Say those viruses not a bad system. Once they catch us HIV within 1 minute to 5 minutes.
Yeah,
okay. Yes, and then incubated or
yeah. Just as you say about say bread a chow na say second chow na second no edakwa do sometime before say be 20 minutes and no virus na was second no so no already.
Yes, and no more no virus but your technical word
okay. Okay.
And the issue really said coronavirus no ebetimi our system within 48 hours.
Okay.
And even more or less.
Yeah, coronavirus no.
Yes.
Ebetimi our system as in say ebi am
from by 48 hours, 24 hours or even more and studies is ongoing.
Okay.
And until say okay sisu bia say it may be right or wrong.
Okay.
You need to come out with what experts are saying.
Okay.
And until the more you say, obetima or system number within that 24 hours to 40 hours and that's even lesser than that.
Okay.
A man is you feel a bit incubation.
Okay.
One is answer a poultry and coconut or more ebeba amontine.
Yeah.
Then you go through incubation.
Just omo de omo nkosua no e de fa sa jem yeah
heat me say be the question jem
there be but a
process
mo de fa so
process heat ema no hatchery no and I say etim mo tom nkosua no
okay
sa incubation period me say ma omo keka no akosoro ama chicks na also omo ba no omo ba and until the issue they say within that hours no omo go through incubation period and notina starting some of the researchers edibeku was say o take obi say o wa kokeduro o say we say within that hours with that heat and I say no so share ebeku omo there be when yes obi di wo intention.
I see.
Now omo no behave depending on nature. Viruses are difficult to control.
Okay.
And nothing asset now HIV, any other viral disease, doctors say you try it.
Okay.
You trust.
You trust it. You bet me am a dry, you bet me sustain.
Because almost done it.
Yeah. But say you two are no crowd here, no dear.
Okay. And until almost done it like and until one to me and you predict to say and obey. Okay. In the shortest possible time, we will say.
What's the son of one side?
Behave say our Tamalia, Opa Germany, and yes,
I know baby behavior. Okay, depending on whether na say.
Yeah, viruses, environment and other factors are almost tried, and I say more campus.
Okay.
But pH. COVID-19 by research ebusu possibly who say omo very active pH of between 5.8 something to 6.6, like between 5 to 6.
Okay.
And I'm
also.
And only a pH.
Okay.
pH, the friend of hydrogen ion concentration.
Okay.
Good. And only the nutrient. And now, the friend is so temperature. Temperature, no, heat. Heat. And I say, we move that way now.
No, when you say, and only the reason why in Ghana for against Africa because of said the weather and tendency we are see bo no that heat no and one to me sustaining e heat no ntina and then yatna o mayare na be do something.
Ya we no campo na conforce oh and sadia ye ba be ko na brongo ye be ko boga because e hodi e wiabo pa. To understand sir right now as we speak so over regional statistics that Ministry of Health e dia be grow and that team no air waduma upper east in northern region no the issue they say omanyabi islim for no but yare na ko and how much more wa Kumasi and our central region and to ka say o dey omo it me sure many way ah oh that to go and live in an environment higher about 45 to 50.
Okay, doc.
Yeah.
So bobium kakra mami. Mepsa ba so na ma bebisa we. O ka bibi se virus so no aya omo etai epe ti se ye o hwe HIV AIDS e ba ya. Ene sa coronavirus ya. Omo nyina ye virus sa omo ba omo ebedi nipanya na omo ba bedi no ye ba behwe na ye di eno ho enkomo kakra. Say afei na watena o television ho e Kuma TV na wo hwe dwumadie ya eye wonkwa hia dwumadie na ene ye de abetoa wo e wo TV so na mamenka wo say dwumadie no ye hwe virus so ahodo a aba o my Ghana mu say HIV Ebola na COVID-19 coronavirus aba ene o my konku Ghana ye di apenie no ye hwe saa adi ho enkomo na ya hwe virus so no mo ba kwambe so no mo fa omo anya nipadua na kwa no bebia ye ni ase ye hwinim ye num ekose ye minim ekọ yakra wa ho ene ade eno na ye di ho nkomo nti afei ena waba koso na mo afide no ena ha mamenka wo se dwumakuo bi ena aboa so yasene ema ye di dwumadie etimi ade abraw ye Dani Herbal Center ye ka Dani Herbal Center na wo ye oba tiemi wo ye bemba so atiemi mentena se ema yare malaria fever emetena onipadua so na emeje okra emfiri wonsam eno nti ena Dani Herbal Center for aba na nyomo kan nyina eye ba akopɛ ene se omakofa edura efe no eye Dani mal mixture se unya bi na wonom a wonum na ato untumi ne di wonante kakra bi na wabrɛ wani so taa brebrew wankasa wohunu se onipadua no enye man ko yie onipadua ne nyina ya ohojo na wakopɛ eye Dani mal herbal mixture ne bi na wonso watimi anom na etumi aboa ama ne ma timi akoyi ade ama wo omakofa Daniton herbal mixture enso ade aba na Daniton no tie pa wonya malaria fever no enema bebre ene fru ni padua no e ba sa e ma moja asote e ma enema bebre ene koso e wo ni padua to da na wontumi ne dia wonya Daniton herbal mixture ne bia na wanom e bebo ama odidi kama e be siesie e ma blood circulation no e ye adwuma yie e wo ni padua no e ma ahoto e ba kopebi na e mo a e wo dwa so bebre pharmaceutical shop no herbal shop bia no kokọ wa onsa ebetumi akabi ye ka se obi wo ho se anansi ache mensa ye titriti ni nyina no wonya bia ebekọ Dani Herbal Ointment se wakoye adwumaden ma onipadua nyina tutu honam ene ye wo ya okoye adwumaden na wo bra ade chimpo na wo sori akọ adwuma na aye ohaw ni nyina no bomoden na kopɛ Dani Herbal Ointment wonya bi na wo de srasra ebebo akopapa fo ni che Dani Herbal Center e wo Kumasi emprom okọ a ndododo bi a wo pɛ no okọ wa onsa ebetumi akabi omo telephone numbers ni bomodi ana frɛ na onso kwajibi number na 0244 364 651 0244 364 651 na wahwehwɛ Dani Herbal Center for na fe yetumi atoa akomodo do so mesrew bomodi na phone messages no ebra bibi a kyere wadwen efa enkomo a yedi wo ha no Dr. Edmond ewo ha sei actor ono ene wo Balm of Gilead Alternative Clinic ena ene yato nsa afre no a woni en ekosa education doc yanhwe virus so no empempi omo ba omo ne yeden te say HIV coronavirus omo nyina so omo fa nipadua na kwa ne baabi e na ekọ menim say yare HIV virus so no eye oba ne bemma enhia modiem e na yenya ana say ade atwa wo na virus no bi e wo sa ade no so ade nti na virus so aba nyina no omo pe places bi a je say oba ne bemma ehia ana say ofa ohwenim ofa wani ase ofa wanum na enye nipadua na kwa ne baabi ane mo ho.
Good. A very interesting question. To say the medical kind is offer viruses are only a denser than air. Meaning say omo our atmosphere now. Very difficult to say omo any free system depending on the real or tier. So offer HIV viruses now within 1 minute to 5 minutes, as I said, you know. Omo then in the bathroom. Okay. But so offer coronavirus virus and I say COVID omo no within say 24 hours to 48 hours so omunya any media no ebetimi aye atari show ebetimi aye wo as wo on kasa wo TV. Okay. Ebetimi aye studio ha ebetimi aye baby eba ne sa incubation meeting place. Okay. Nuntina ye kase enam say omo no within that long period no omo timi check within 24 to 48 hours. Okay. Unim baby will be fine. Unim baby will be free ba. Okay. And until so be e will be. Or touch baby. Okay. And I said, well, when see ewo baby, wa bowa ewo baby a. You had the medical can't say almost try it within 24 to 48 hours, and even more or even less. And so what we carry him for that period. Atmosphere, and anything I say, almost denser than air. No? Okay. Or more atmosphere. And when you a command is pay. Now, open rap be a crow as our virus will be within that stipulated time one. And over serving as a kind of say trans agent. Okay. And I say media. Omono ebetimi penetrating doc say metinya wo kana se ye pa na che say o pa che say emmo ne timi ka ewiem saa se no musika wiem na se ne wafa ebuba na wo to akọ wiem na wafa bibi ti say cotton atentrehu na ewo wiem se wo to ne mienu kọ soro a ebo no beba fom entem but atentrehu no beka wiem kakransa nti sana virus no so se virus no so mu ye ha chen sa atentrehu no nti so no so kasa o ka wiem a na so betimi aka wiem a che for within 24 to 48 hours doc na just say ade no eya ye serious say sa virus ya o mabai na say obi hwansin wo ha sisi a ana say obowa na say ofiri hokompo na bia say obi nso betwam na emuro 48 hours a nipa ko no say on she no mask obetimi anya bi straight that is why on mind penny and painful sebio omunim de emu kase yema that protocols in the aduma. Okay. Second year so go by within 48 hours. So we will be na say sebio ma touch it man sanitize me nsa man wash me nsa na se nipa no ewo bia me na man nusu enemies bia e be get one offer. You know? Okay. And nunti so we will be within 48 hours you need know about me be get ma sanitize me nsa. Okay. Me so mu na no I said what spread it and that's what surrounded on sun with heat eja pattern follow. Okay, me follow. And until what touch it na even though virus no but what is some ready as a protective externally. You remember internal protection so and then immune boosting okay. But externally there you see a new nose mask. You use sanitizers. Okay. You wash and only external protective measures are the protocols. Okay. Hunting as you use those PP is not and yes man. And nunti a woman ya say baby I won't be a good name and one was because say Obia when you want to say the okay na say ubura na say within that stipulated time you know spraying via or ha na be obisa be obenya simple. Okay. Simple until I'm so more denser than air. And many of the illustration now yeah. na yɛnwa deɛ bi adeɛ a ɛboa kɛseɛ paa ne sɛ nyame nansɛm no virus no deɛ ɛfiti anɔpa ɛkɔdu anwummerɛ no yɛhome bebree kɔ yɛ mu
okay
nipa biara no ɛfiti anɔpa 6 o'clock ɛnkɔdu anwummerɛ a wɔnda no na wahome about 100 million pathogens ɛgu nipa biara no.
I see.
Some of the pathogens are virus, and these pathogens are cause pathogenic diseases. You know, nina offer cold, swine flu, and catarrh, and cough. Nina na yama wadua yamfa duni tuasi.
Okay.
Se bibia ya na wobowa na wensi na wenya da catarrh no. And antibiotics are that symptoms na eba, a counter symptoms.
Okay.
And fight it.
Against that idea now.
On and off. No.
I see.
So
obit me nya code for a very long time.
Yes.
Obit me akoto any painkiller bia wa bonten still na na.
Prescribe a good beer wo we say papa amount but it won't go.
Okay.
Because already no was system no externally no the immune system no our form an external factors are I was saying that no sit me suppress those external reasons one man and edema and when you provide say we allergy we are allergic to those kind of things maybe a dust we could to me dust and answer spray be now really emma what me in a viral infection.
Okay.
Yes. And when you win go through your nasal when I find a nasal injection.
Okay.
An injection na panel just ya yawo to
okay.
Omo fa upper respiratory system no a injection na wa
okay.
Okay. Me ko bon say me kasa de no e wo atmosphere.
Yeah.
And through that no e ba wo system no na no e na omo ya acclimatize the incubation be take place. Obe won safi de nkakran person o DNA no immune system no enye sharper.
Okay.
Obe won say omo fa no afi de na symptom viruses at the symptom omo de yare the symptoms eba. Eno nti ne papa mu pa no kanipa bia wo ba e so boost immune system ne sharp. When nare enko pharmacy shop enko toto pharmacy drugs and so. Doc, near my trunk machine in no I was a boost immune system.
Doc, de bia ye kan ye boost immune system. Immune system ye boost obi plant mi kire say koto so bolo obi su koto we na be boost immune system no. Doc, ye wo nuane ahodo bi wo hon so so a eben a eno no timi eboyen boost immune system no more than say e bia ye be hwehwe kwanche ba bi nso e dia kan wana.
Enuane no dey say the introduction you can.
Yes.
When we read Genesis chapter 1 verse 20, the source of energy and niama boa isisi ni fidan enuane. Enuane Genesis okay. That is why according to Ezekiel no see any niama na han so dey enshine arewa. So what you say? Go. Once maka the alpha antibodies.
Yeah.
Go. Antibodies ya so ya fo mo ni pede mu a omo body pede anu ho bai. Viruses, bacteria, fungi, those yeast, any other pathogens are more epidemic behind in and from I can say antigen.
Okay.
Antigen with my microbia, if you want to try intimate for any home. Antigen with my chemical substance.
Okay.
One nom a drobi na say over tequila. A bit serve as antigen because a suppressive immune system.
Okay.
Obenya antibodies omono enema enyeme ne pedwana distorted ne pedwano say ne pedwano bi gina ne naso e be suppress omo no ti say oba ye Ghana ha no na me dia che kwa.
Okay.
One of the powerful antibodies enema ye antibodies no sharp ye fruit and vegetables.
Okay.
You work primary school no and JHS no you should be say protective foods.
Doc, ye bre no enhyeda enni ho my bi. Enti me pese ye nhwe quick one na ye mie en phone lines no entum na atiefo emra. Kwan a ye be fa so boost immune system no na atumi aboa ye no eno na ye di ho nkobwe. Na the way forward say COVID-19 aba be drum pempen so ati say no. Again na esese Ghana nyina ye na etimi aboa ye.
I was see my kitchen pharmacy.
No set you buy a kitchen, a pharmacy.
A straight. One amount kitchen and no pharmacy to say they can be winter. Because in your nuna, and ka pharmacy shop ede sika kwa control ni negu mukase ho kitchen ho.
Okay.
One, so fa bibi ti say garlic e contain bibi ti say allicin. Garlic e contain bibi ti say chronogenic acid.
Okay.
Chronogenic acid ni nyina ye those phytochemicals are a boost immune system no.
Okay.
Fa bibi ti say warfare ahaban we no. And can confirm cassava name tree home, cassava even garlic home, so bolo, hibiscus, money we no. Those wedding are very good on contain vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Many multiply them of Frahamine.
I see.
But Frahamine, apart from high amount of ascorbic acid, vitamin C, a woman, a timid inflammation, and I say a timid a canter, me higher me say, no, or more papin, a enzyme be a boy, a man.
Doctor, now, you can say, but Frahabai, I can once me.
Yes,
but Frahabai, no bend, and also bending.
And also,
time of watching you on this show for your fashion designer, a Moscow fashion designer, and also so the message or the abandon, maybe me phone lines, no messages in the about the gum be questions be brave now, and then to me, and transcend Tino, mammy, me phone lines, no, and to na who and Bisa. Once one bisa doctor na fe doctor e dia sori kra enti mabie phone lines no atum wo hwe screen no eso a wo be hunu se number no e wo ho betumi afre bibia a kire wadwen wo nkomo na ye di no no in fact a very broad topic and na yentimi anko into details meaning say next time ye be sa to sa e dia afre Dr. Edmond Atta Balm of Gilead Alternative Clinic Dr. Penina wasan abeye yemwa na fe yesua ndema pi e dia fa sa topic ye de buy ho na mabie me phone lines na tum obetumi afre na onso wo nsem bi se bi e fa nkomo a ye di ho a na onso watumi e de aba ye di kan aka kire se ene ne ye be hwe ene se ye build ye kitchen e wo sa COVID-19 bre mu na etumi aboa yen ama ene matumi akoyi e de amayen mabie phone lines no obetumi afre na doc e de ya sorry kra na afi ye de dwuma de no asia bi se nyankopon ya adom na su gesensia you be say di nkomo a ebe boa ye pa phone lines na e wo 0200603602 na wabo modern afi wa frɛ na also questions bi wo ha watumi abebisa na ye di ho enkomo doc ye train afrɛfo no ye hwɛ ne ye boost immune system ye way forward pa anything
the way forward anything those summary and I say when a summary so topic 3 hours
broad
so kasa from you and the way forward in na say mama yamma those protocols no and working then use masks no young washing and some soap and running water
okay
then fast sanitizers and then can
okay mama fa of refo hello good evening hello good evening
sir
me ba jo din ba bia of free
sorry, Amasco fashion, Cataflic, Matica.
Amasco,
sir?
Mammy, you have been trained.
Manity program no pa, Manity program on a doctor saw basso.
Okay, Amasco, all right, I'm saying Amasco will be. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
If I told you, maybe I'll free.
If I told because of
Kumasi Quadaso. If I told you, Bisa.
Your friend Collins.
Okay, Collins.
My friend decided to say, Doctor, Adiawa, and Waya, dear pa. Now, the time we catch a doctor say, Oma, then I'm telling phone to say, then I'm telling phone to say, prices no. Omumla. Prices from the Bagana, I'm telling phone, yes, Umumla. Omunya say you do mutas the your man na ya reso ball man ma ho kire ball man e sa de ma ya ri na ball man ni
okay
right you say gonna
okay I'm the doctor answer that but maybe my hello good evening we didn't be free the quiet. All right, let's now give you one. I am not one of my partner. I said, I might think back and try all right. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Let's say ofre na o badumade no so a tie me e wo phone no so mentie. Hello, good evening. Wodin ba bia free.
Good evening.
Good evening, wodin ba bia free.
Also good evening, Steven.
Steven lowa u TV set no na ye nim komo. Steven bisa won sam na yenko.
Evening no.
Steven mitio.
Also Steven, because free geninso.
Steven mitio. All right. Your best say the medical aka no say utie wo ho e wo TV no so a unte menka enti lower TV set no na ye nim komo. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me ba cho din ba bia free.
Me ka se fla go. Sam Daniel.
Okay, Daniel ma mitio.
What's about the abofra haba no? Oh no, na so ye ne dey.
What today enti obesa chire bi mo why ansa na wa sorry.
Okay, Matthew.
Me da se papa. Okay, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me pa cho din ba bia free.
I'm asking you Katie.
Okay, Amasco.
Na
to we ne.
Don't be saying this doctor say most match na dey say am no go am to dey kan na no pa. I don't know how one way kira. Entry money effect. And I said me dey any.
Okay, doc, me give you say what near Amasco Bishama. Okay, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Me pacho unya frɛ na obadumade no so a aya tie wo ho free phone dan say obetie wo free TV no so. Good evening.
Martin.
Yeah, good evening.
Pacho me tie evening.
Udi ni baby free.
Adama ka free ni so.
Okay, mami tie o.
Pacho when the program mami pese me busa doctor say. No ka say ebi ya inu kitchen o na be say me hu enu ai be no a be boy ma etu atwe ho fi fire no.
Okay, all right. Doctor Waha obesa chire mu biem e dia. All right, okay. You betimi afrɛ enche okay. Ya de frɛ fo dwumade no esia se na be ya doctor betimi ayi nsɛm na no ba ko mienu na afei. Ya sorry, ya bre no aso. Nsuo no eyesa ne ntie ntimi anhye dwumade na asentem. Menim say next week nyame ya domo a ebetimi akomu yie pa. Doc, me gidi say one thing say bisa nkofo bisa yina. Em say bofra haba na wo ka ho asɛm no. Nkofo so interest e wo pa nti say betimi asisu bi mo na afei answer na ebe sorry no baby a hospital no wo na afei obetimi do telephone number to just say bia obi wo questions bi a opese obisa e wo dwumade ye chi a wotimi abisa
yada isu ase I think say topic no
very broad
say ebetima ya topic I ebetima he part
okay
na sacrifice na about the
okay
na yen hadu obi bisa ni fa looks marks
yeah
yes looks marks no Food and Drug Authority for NHL on some my ma ho da nti eya na nyeme bi o ha
o mo che ne ye papa no kra
yes nti me stress e okoto a o mo de me kasi me mandos standardization wrong nti me so after program no obetimi afre as individual na ya ye what share uko kwan ho wa bi ato
okay
ana obi so eka nro also one nominate Yamra Popo no. Okay. Popo ne dear. Yantina ho nare ansa na se bio ya true
okay.
Nipa bia o ho once me ka se your antibodies. Antibodies ne aboni bia no man. Okay. Antigen ne emwa na ekoso ya. Okay. And you so mo ni bia no man ni sia. Once yes virus in summary no omo within the atmosphere and within that stipulated time no. Okay. The moment externally went me strong in terms of hand sanitizer, in terms of nose mask. Okay. But within you know, what build a stronger immune system? Because almost stay for some time, incubated. Okay. And so no part of DNA. Okay. Okay. And until more, you are in poor in an bit diabetes, hypertension, and other factors are bas and not be an immune system also. Best form. The immune system slope okay. COVID in now. Okay, doc, me say, ya benaso, and see, Messer for telephone number at Tuga, and what did you say?
questions na nkrofo ebisa no nkrofo interest wo baby na ebia bibi wo ha nipa connect me anyway din komo na stress wo problem bi na person ne doctor echa wo de number no e tudwa obetumi afa na one no edi eho enkomo na watumi aboa wo. Okay doc, for number no tudwa my na finish.
The number is 0240 51 21 71 0240 51 21 71. Wait a show just a second. Okay. Me papa back and I was saying what's in and birthday.
I see.
I'm sure that charity that 2 PI4 watching it kind of say your kitchen, your pharmacy, funds for now. Doctors are more oncology and bomb of good for now.
Okay. All right, doc. I'm saying number no. I'm confirming to me. I'm fat. It is some number. Maybe I'm not. I'm fan to screen or something.
Yes. 0240.
0240.
51.
51.
21.
21.
71.
71.
Yes. 0240. 51. 21. 71. Now, time now. Just 1 minute. Then come to a month for sale.
Okay.
Omokoto sanitizer. No more talk the Tino BBC.
Okay.
Omompede na no ye fia otwetwe basoro.
Okay.
And I said the
press a bit me about.
Because all this so all catastrophe na alcohol percentage.
Oh, okay.
Ana pese alcohol no so within 70 to 80% no. E kosoro bebrebe so a inflammable.
Okay. All right, me that say, doc, am my education be brave? Afa Jumadia and ye de ebre wo no nyame eyantomo a na wo hwe se ne no ye besan ehia bi me ankasa me di Jumadia wo kira me din Francis Adey dodo no efre me DJ Lofty okọ MCR Augustina and afi Loretta e wo ho DOP Kobe Frank otwi nozo 1 me production manager original Samdakus and so eboy ono ene production manager bibia che say in fact the original number 1 Samdakus Queen AJ o support we when ben me da mu nyina se na me adomo a next week ye besan ehia bi
Benedita
now
Minyawa Ubeso Misimama Mama Nanado. Yo, my name is Kojan Kansan. You can call me to my because the broken man. I got me soon have a lens, Lennon Constellation Jackson and Kumaru TV man. How dare you, boy, other former fans. If you know, I'm so come so. And fun to be say Kumaru TV, a hawk, never be baby, hey, and Nigeria, hey, send said day. Oh, watching me home, you see me laugh and color the man. Oh, yeah. Tongani do it you. Natural some kind of to natural some.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Abba.